So far we've been working on the display unit right there, and it's pretty much complete. We just need to include these receivers so that it kind of receives the data that it's sending, right? So far I've been testing different kinds of LDRs, photoresistor, photodiodes, and of course the laser receiver, the generic laser receiver, which does not work. So I've been studying and researching, and I found a paper about the solar panel. Apparently solar panel works as a better laser receiver because it has high sensitivity. It can read data at pretty much at a mid speed, and it has less interference than the average LDR. So yeah, and after a lot of I can't say it's research, but after a lot of experiments, tests, through trial and errors, I have found that solar panels are optimal, right, but not recommended for the long run as written before. So I made a plan to make it work. Like, I mean, it wouldn't increase the speed. In any case, it would reduce the damn speed, but it might just filter out all those noises, all those unwanted lights, unwanted optical things, right? So what I'll be doing is that I'll be using a dark narrow tunneling using some black transparent material to avoid angle lights. Then I'll let the laser beam pass through the red band pass filter, which costs around like 7,000 rupees. What the hell? I mean, right? Yeah, it might exceed budget. Anyways, I'll be using a red acrylic sheet to cut costs, and yeah, it will be allowed to pass through the red acrylic sheet to the solar panel. According to ChatGPT, yeah, I used ChatGPT for one purpose. I just asked it, would red acrylic sheet filter all the ambient light and just give me the what would be the resultant light? And it said, yeah, it would just block everything, and the resultant output will be like a red light. So yeah, I'm using the red acrylic sheet, and that's that. The only thing I'm worried about is the distance factor. It's actually up on top. It's not visible in the video, but it's all right. What shall I do for the distance factor? I mean, it works around like 10 to 15 meters to be approximate, but I haven't tested it in a dark room for the distances 20 meters, 30 meters and 40 meters to, anyways, that's all that. This project is open for collaborators. The collaborators are always welcome. I might have already completed the receiver unit, but the transmitter unit, it's still it's still a work in progress. I mean, the question may arise that how could have it done tests and experiments without even finishing the transmitter module? I actually programmed to let it receive like Morse code. I used the laser toy to beam what's it called again? Yeah, I beamed it up towards the solar panel and tried Morse code on that. It pretty much worked. So yeah, I'll have to work on the script. And make sure the video doesn't go like 4 minutes long. Like, who watches it for like 4 minutes long? What the hell? I have to cut back on the attitude as well. So yeah, I have also found that SPH 2000 series are very much the best receivers for this project, but both BPW34 and SPH 2000 series are a bit out of reach at the moment. Thank you for watching. This is William Afton. Goodbye.